We are here at the Columbia Bank Building in Rochester. There's Alex. We got a vintage Otis to ride. Look at this. Completely original from the 1950s.
I wouldn't get out of 4 because there's an office.
Okay. Let's go up to 4.
Who cares, dude?
I know. Oh, this is cool. Let's go down to 1.
You hear the reels, too.
That is cool.
It's nice that this one's still here.
There are your buttons, older Bakelite Otis black buttons. And there's the Christmas light arrows there. And here we are on 1. Very nice leveling. We'll take it up one more time.
Yeah, sure.
I don't want to take too many rides, but we'll take it up one more.
It's nice to see that this one's still here.
Yeah. Those are nice relays. And we'll get off on 1. You see the interlock. Alright, let's go down to 1. Listen.
There's your COP.
That's so cool.
Oh, an old fan, too. It's pretty nostalgic for me. I used to see those fans a lot all the time.
Yep. Now let's see if the rotodial works.
It does.
Alright, let's send it up in that case and we'll watch it.
I wonder what's on the other floors.
Smells like candy in there. In here. Watch this. Look at that.
That's it.
That was so cool. Well, that's gonna be it.